What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you see, I have the S4 out and we're gonna try to tackle an issue I've been having. In the last video I told you I did my brakes. Don't wait as long as me. I think I posted a picture. If not, I'll post one right here of how bad these brakes were. I waited a little too long, but today we're gonna be doing some data logging for 034. I don't know what my issue is. Occasionally when I beat on the car and I ease on to the gas and I progressively get harder on the gas and then let off, my EPC light comes on and it starts to misfire. I just pull right over when that happens, turn off the car, wait a couple minutes, turn back on the car, and it clears the code and it runs perfectly fine until I do a pull again. But it's not every single time. It's kind of on and off occasionally. It just happens randomly. So I'm gonna try to recreate that situation and log it so we can see what's going on. I'm either thinking it's my intercooler's leaking under boost or spark. One of those two. It's definitely not my high flow cats, because if you know, I'm running a test pipes. I'm running a test pipe file as well, and I'm using the JHM high flow or baffle down pipe, high flow cat X pipe, you know, whatever. I took those off last time I had the car up on jack stands and looked at them. They look perfect. They're fine. There's nothing wrong with them. There shouldn't be any issues with those. So it only leads me to expect that it is the intercooler's leaking, which I hope it's not, or the spark plugs. Yes, it would be easy for me to just take off the spark plugs and look at those, but first I'm gonna try to log it and see what it is, and then I'll change the spark plugs or whatever. The spark plugs are fairly new, so it shouldn't be an issue, but I'm hoping it's not the intercooler, because that's a whole problem in itself. And as you can see, I'll give you a little update. Look at it. What's missing? Yes, you thought the wing, I took the wing off. I also polished it, so now it's like a mirror finish right here, which is nice. And you hear that? Nothing. You can't hear nothing. Clay barred, polished, a one step, get all the imperfections and the wax off, and it's looking great. I actually like the look of it wingless, to be honest. It has that OEM plus look right now, minus, like, you know, the carbon fiber rear diffuser, but other than that, it has that OEM plus look, which I'm kind of digging right now. I do plan on ordering another wing. I do like the carbon fiber wing, to be honest, but all right, let's just get into the logging. Let's get some pulls going. But I do have the cable connected, do have the laptop pulled up. I am currently getting ready to log. We're gonna do a slight pulls up and down this road, and hopefully nobody says anything at all to me. But let's get into it. Let me actually, I'm gonna set the camera up on the window, so let's do that and then let's get into it. All right, I got you guys set up. I got the laptop. Let's start logging. Let me start it real quick, and then I'm thinking we're gonna do a launch first. See what that does. Turn off the traction control. Turn on the fans. Pull out a little bit. Actually, back up a little bit. I'm gonna do a launch at, let's do 3,300 RPMs. All right, here we go. That felt good. Yeah, that felt real good. So we'll see on there what they say, but other than that, that felt good. So that was just a normal launch, and then we'll see. I'm gonna do a third gear pull next. All right, here's a third gear pull. I'll make sure we're starting as low as possible, and then full third. I don't know. It's not doing anything different. Sorry if I'm quiet, but that was a full third gear pull. And it's not doing it again, so I don't know what it could be. But I'm gonna do another third gear pull once I get on this highway right here, and let's see. Let's try not to get pulled over, you know? So let me start the logger. No one coming from that way. All right, low third gear. Let's see. Third. I don't know. It's not being weird right now, so don't know. Maybe it solved itself. I don't know. But I might. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send these files off and see what they say. But then I'm going to pull the spark plugs, look at them. If they are gunked up, if they are dirty, whatever. They've only been in the car for about 10,000 miles now. I got the car 10,000 miles ago, so it's about 10,000 miles on them. So I will change them, I guess. What's a couple of $100, or you know, about $100 to longevity of your motor? So I'm gonna just bite the bullet, I guess, and fix it. And then if they come back and say anything else, then we'll see. Yeah. So I'm just headed back home now. I was only on a county road not far from here, so, or I should say Mexico, because I was committing a felony. But you guys can just enjoy it. This is why I love this car so much. It just feels so good. And just oh my god. It's so nasty, I love it. Alright, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. As I said, I'm going to send these logs off to 034, see what they say. When I get the time, I'm gonna pull the plugs, I'm gonna order new plugs, and probably regardless I'm gonna change them either way. But yeah, sorry if today's video is boring, but this is how you solve problems on a car like this. You gotta log, you gotta trial and error, try to recreate the situation. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully next video I have a solution for what is going on with my car. But yeah, I'll see you then.